It's a homosexual.
Get away from us, white.
You're a white boy?
Like your white folk kind around here. Oh no, we don't like your white folk kind. Y'all better run now because we don't like you. Your white folk are too colored for us. Be ashamed if you're mugged by a group of white folk.
No, I am keeping watch this place.
It'd be shame. African Americans. Oh yeah, I found you. My black people senses are tingling. Oh, you white folk. You white folk about to get messed up. You down playing with us black folk.
Hey.
Oh yeah, you white folk. You white folk have a problem with us.
That's what the Boogie wants.
Belt him with our black people do.
That's what the bikes can shit in your face.
Attack that white man! Attack that white man! He's got a problem with us black folk, apparently. Look, he got a problem with us black folk. He got a big problem with us black folk. He ain't got a problem with his white folk friends.
How do you do this? How do you dance?